Are you tired of boring t-shirts and want to create your own designs? Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom t-shirts without any special equipment. And check out this t-shirt that I've just made. I'm going to show you now how you can create your own. You're going to get some mailing labels. I found these at the dollar store. You can also find them at the stationery store. And what we're looking for is that shiny paper underneath. I'm going to peel off all of the labels. I set them aside and I use them in my junk journal later on. But you can see that shiny paper underneath. That's what we're going to be printing on. You can also find the shiny paper under CD labels or yard sale sticker sheets. Have a look around. Try to find that paper that has that shiny side on it. Now I'm going to take some double-sided tape and a piece of computer paper, and I'm just going to put it around the outside of that paper, and then I'm going to lay that shiny paper on top, making sure the shiny side is up. I like to do this because sometimes printers are a little bit sensitive and won't take the shiny paper through. Now we want to load it into our printer, shiny side down, that's going to get printed on our laser printer. And this is a graphic that I designed. It's actually available in my Etsy store if you want to check it out. I'll put the link down below in the description, or you can scan the QR code right here. I put the graphic in Google Docs and I sized it to fit my t-shirt. I have a full tutorial on how to do that, and you're also going to have to mirror your image. If not, when you put it on your t-shirt, the letters will be backwards. Here's the video that will guide you along. You can scan right here. I'll also have it down in the description. But if you're grabbing graphics out of my Etsy store, they're already reversed, so you don't need to worry about that. And now I'm putting a piece of cardboard underneath, so when we iron it on, it doesn't seep back into the back of the t-shirt. I'm going to cut it down to size. Make sure you're not touching that graphic because the toner will rub off. This is a fantastic project to do if you want to make some custom t-shirts for maybe a sports team or a bridal shower or a bachelorette party. This is an affordable way to do it at a fraction of the cost of having them ordered online. If you're handy on Canva, you can design your own graphics there, and you only need the free program. You don't need to have a pro subscription to make some pretty good graphics. Now I've put some parchment paper over top, and I've got my iron on the hottest setting it will go, and we're going to be really careful. We don't want that paper underneath to move around, or you're going to have that toner not be crisp lines. And we're just going to start to iron, not leaving the iron anywhere too long, moving it in long strokes and just going back and forth. And you can go back after you've done it for a few minutes, lift up the graphic, see how it's transferring, and then keep going as needed. Every graphic will be different depending on how much toner you have on your paper that you need to transfer to your t-shirt. This also works best on a cotton blend material. Now you can see as I'm peeling it up, it's starting to transfer. I'm going to go back and iron it a little bit more until I have a really crisp transfer of that graphic. And once you're happy with the way it looks, just peel away that label sheet and your graphic has been transferred onto your t-shirt. Now I like using my laser printer for this process. It will work with an inkjet, but it smears a lot easier, so you have to be really careful, and it also does not hold up as well in the wash. And here's our completed t-shirt with that custom graphic, so you can imagine the possibilities. And yes, it does hold up in the wash. This picture here, I've washed this 3 times. The initial wash, it does fade a little bit, and then after that, it stays nice and crisp. I hope this gets you creating your own custom t-shirts. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you love this video, check out these other 2.